Hi everyone, this is an update on the kittens. They're 4.5 weeks old. As you can see, they're moving around pretty good. They got their eyes open. Look at that one. Look at little boy. Look at little boy. Yeah. Look at him. Look at that one. They're trying some water. They're trying some water. Look at them playing. They're playing, everyone. Yeah. They're playing each other. These are the kittens. There's the other three, or the other four. They're looking at the food. About another week they'll start eating food. These two are playing here. Here's Mama Cat. So as you can see, the kittens, they're growing up fast. 4.5 weeks. 4.5 weeks, everyone. Here's the other one. Here's Mama. Thank you guys. This is the update on the kittens. I hope everyone enjoyed. Have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.